Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today we have a little video for you guys. We haven't filmed in a while, but we decided we'd do like a little favorites video, a little bit of beauty, skincare,
Catch
and
you up
on
what we've been loving.
So without further ado, let's jump right in. I'm gonna start with skincare just because that's been like a big thing for me lately. Especially like with the weather and the cold and everything like that. I've just really been into skincare because I'm so dry. So the first product that I have is the face wash and moisturizer that I've been using. It's by the brand Korres. I believe that's how you say it. Korres?
Oh, I don't know. I've heard of it, but I don't know exactly how you say it.
I don't know. This is the Greek yogurt foaming cream cleanser, and it's for all skin types. I absolutely love this because not only is it like so gentle on my skin, it really just takes off all my makeup with like a pea-sized amount. So you need nothing and it's so effective. And along with this, I also have the moisturizers. One's pretty much like a day cream and one's a night cream. That's what I would say. This is the 24-hour moisturizing and brightening cream. It's the Wild Rose. So it smells beautiful and it's very, what's like the word? It's like
hydrating.
It's hydrating. It's very rich, but it's not like thick and gross. Yeah. And then this is the Advanced Nourishing Sleeping Facial, which I thought was super cool because basically like getting a facial as you sleep.
Yeah.
And honestly, whenever I wake up, my skin feels so supple and soft and just looks so pretty. So I would highly recommend this brand.
I love like sleeping masks. I had one from like some other brand, and it feels like so good when you
So
wake
nice,
up.
right?
It just like soaks right into your skin overnight.
Yeah. So I've been loving these, so highly recommend.
A couple makeup products that I've been using. The first one I'm actually wearing right now is the Anastasia liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade Crush, and I'll just show you guys what it looks like. It's just like a very pretty nudie pink. It's kind of like a more muted, darker pink, but I love it. I don't know, I just like it like for any time of the year, like
yeah, like any look. It's just like
any look.
nude.
It's like a universal shade. It looks good on everyone. And yeah, I've just been loving like this kind of shade recently. It's just like such like an easy color to work with.
The liquid lipsticks by Anastasia are seriously one of like the
they're
best.
really smooth
So
and they're
good.
not like super dry.
I have another skincare product that I wanted to mention, and this is actually an oil, and it's really cool because this is hemp seed oil, which I don't feel like you see that often.
Yeah,
like,
I've never
it's not
really
like a popular
heard
oil.
of it. I mean, I like hemp seeds, like the actual like thing, but I've never heard of like an oil that you can buy.
Yeah, so this is by the brand Ozone Factory. They were kind enough to send us 2 oils, this one and another one, but I've personally been using this one and I absolutely love it. Hemp seed is super good for you, whether you're eating it or using it as an oil.
Yeah.
It also helps with like blemishes and inflammatory purposes and things like that. So if you do have any of those issues, you're gonna love it. And another great thing is it's really great for blackheads or like any dirt buildup or anything like that. It's gonna really help to unclog your pores, which is something that I, not so much, but like I do have blackheads, so that's something that I like to target.
Really cool. I didn't know that.
Yeah, and what I love about this is, it's gonna kind of sound weird, but I like that it has like a spray bottle.
I was telling her, I was like, I never really saw like oil products with a spray bottle, but that's pretty cool. Like,
yeah, I like it because you literally, I just like spray it. And like what's really cool about it too is that you can use it for your hair, for your skin, you know, whatever it is. So I think it's really awesome that it has like a spray cap.
Yeah.
So you can just like spray it into your hair or your face and then just rub it in. And I'm not a big oil girl, but I like a dry oil. So when it like really seeps into your skin and just kind of disappears, you don't feel greasy. And this is just that. So I've been loving this one. Whenever I wake up in the morning, it's like baby soft, fresh glow skin. I'm loving it.
Nice.
Oh, and one other thing. This brand is 100% organic, 100% vegan, cruelty-free, all that wonderful stuff that you know we love. So I had to mention this one.
Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara, and it's just like in this gold packaging. And this is what the brush looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's just like a very like thick brush. And what are they called? Like fibers? It's not like the rubber.
Yeah, it's like a fiber brush.
Yeah, so I really like that because it, like it says, it gives you a lot of volume, and I don't know, that's what I look for in a mascara, volume and length, and I feel like it does both beautifully.
And like the packaging is so cute.
And the packaging is so cute. It kind of
love.
Yeah.
I just love Maybelline. Like they do no wrong in my opinion. Their highlighter is like literally my favorite. I'll just start with eyebrows. I'm not one that like normally fills in my eyebrows. It's like on the bottom of my list. Like when I'm doing my makeup, I'm like, if I get to it, I get to it, and if I don't, like I'm just gonna rock my natural brows because I love a nice, natural, fluffy, messy brow. Like that's what I'm into. I don't like a perfectly chiseled brow. I like when it's more like you can see the hairs, they're all over the place. Like it's just natural. But I came across this L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer Ultra Fine Tip Shaping Pencil. And it has a spoolie on one end and then the pencil on the other. It's super, super thin, so you can really, really get in there and make like, you know, hair-like strokes. And it's gonna just look like hair. And then you can just go ahead and brush it out. The color matches me perfectly, which is something that I kind of have an issue with just because I don't like to use a black pencil on my eyebrows even though my hair is super, super dark. It is a brown, but I know it looks black. So I like to use like a dark brown or even like just like a neutral brown. And so this color is perfect. It lasts all day long. I like don't ever set my brows. And I just feel like it looks like super natural.
Yeah, it does.
It's like right up my alley with the way that I love.
That you're wearing, brow product on.
Yeah, I think it just like looks so beautiful. You can do like a day-to-day or you can amp it up for like a night out. And it's just gonna look so beautiful and just natural.
Yeah.
Which
and plus you have like a natural eyebrow shape. You don't have to do much to them anyway.
Yeah, like I just like fill them in.
Yeah,
like,
it's not like you're creating like a new brow or something.
But
so
you totally could because
yeah.
it's so thin that you can literally draw on whatever shape or hair or, you know, anything like that. So highly recommend. Oh, and it's not waxy, which is something that I hate in a brow product. I hate when it's waxy because I feel like that like moves around and it becomes like oily.
Yeah.
So it's just like the perfect pencil.
And then for my last makeup product that I have, it's by the way, all these products that I mentioned, I'm actually wearing right now, just like for reference, I guess. But this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Eyeliner, and this is actually waterproof. And I love this because it does not move because it's waterproof, you know, so it's, you know it's not gonna, yeah, you know it's gonna stay, and it's super, super dark. I guess I'll swatch it. It's just black, but like I'll just show you guys how.
Wow,
that's just like one
so
swipe.
black.
And it's like super, super black, and it stays in your eye. And I'm the type of person that I like wearing eyeliner like in my waterline, so it's hard to find one that like just stays put. So I highly recommend this one.
So for my next beauty product, I've been so into glosses. I know right now it's matte just because it was like the vibe I was going for. I didn't really want a gloss, but I've been so into glosses, and I came across this one by Buxom. I know everyone loves it. It's in the shade Dolly, which is like their like #1 lip color product, whatever. And I just love it. I think it's like the most beautiful pinky nude color. It's definitely like would complement every single skin tone. It would look gorgeous. And another bonus to this is not only does it have like a little shimmer in there, so it's gonna make your lips look bigger, it actually is like a plumping lip gloss.
Yeah, aren't all of their lip gloss,
I think
like,
so,
they have,
right?
like, a plumping effect in them?
Yeah, they have like a plumping effect, so it makes your lips a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
And it just like, it's just such a beautiful color, so
it is really pretty.
recommend.
Next product, oh, actually I'll just mention this product that's on me right now, and it's just like this little tiny bracelet. I'll get up and show you guys. I don't know if that's even focusing. Hopefully it focused. But just like this very, very dainty gold bracelet, and I pretty much wear it like every day no matter what I'm wearing. It's just like a little touch of something to give, you know, like your outfit something, or just like, I don't know, I like wearing
so pretty.
Like very dainty jewelry like that, even like necklaces or whatever. And I don't remember where I got this from. I think it was Nordstrom. I don't know the exact name brand, but I'll link it down below. My last beauty product is a WetNWild product. You guys know I love WetNWild, and I love everything that they stand for, and all of their products are so affordable and so good. And so I've been really into this Photo Focus Setting Spray. I know they just came out with the matte one, which I really want to try, but I haven't seen in any stores, at least near me. But this one I've been loving. It does help make my makeup last like all day. And I just feel like it looks so nice, especially in photography, like whenever I'm taking photo or a video.
I really feel like when I have this on, I can notice the difference. Like, I really can.
Like, what do you notice that it does?
Like, it just, my skin just looks more flawless and smooth and, like, airbrushed. Like, honestly, this is, like, the only thing, like, I notice the difference because I'll use it and I'll, like, test it out, you know. I'll be like, okay, we're going to film. Let me see how it looks. And it looks so nice. And then other days where I don't have it on, I'm like, wow, it actually, like, my skin looks flawless. So, I've been loving this, and it's like $5. Yeah, no, seriously, it's so good. You should definitely use it. It's like $5. It's so worth it.
That's the beauty of WetNWild.
WetNWild is amazing.
You have to give WetNWild credit because their products are so good and they're so affordable. Like,
and they're cruelty-free. And they're like, wonderful. So, absolutely love WetNWild.
My next product is going to be, like, I guess more of an accessory, fashion-related, I guess. I think I mentioned this in like a haul earlier, and I've been loving it ever since I got it. And it's just like this little, I don't even know like what to call it. It's not really like a purse. It's like and it's not like a fanny pack or anything like that, but it kind of has like that vibe. Like, what are those things called? Like, you know, they're kind of like a fanny pack, but they go like this way. But it's not a fanny pack. It's like, I don't know. It's just very convenient.
It's like a side fanny pack.
Like a very mini purse, I guess. And it opens like that, and it just has like a little area in here for like your stuff or whatever. And
actually, like a decent amount of like
it's like pretty good.
Good
stuff
stuff in there.
Put your money, your phone,
whatever.
And it's just so cute because like the detail on it, it goes with everything. I love like these little buttons on the top. I don't know if you can see, but it just has like a lot of little details, and I live for like little details like that. And it's just so convenient, and yeah, love it. And it's from Zara. I don't know if I mentioned that.
I'm so into sunglasses. Like, I just can't get enough, especially like affordable, cheap sunglasses. Like, just keep giving them to me. I'll keep buying them. But these are actually from Forever 21. I love Forever 21 sunglasses because, again, they're so affordable, so cute, so trendy.
Yeah.
And, like, I don't really care if they get ruined or if I lose them.
I feel like
they're like $5-10.
Yeah, like when you buy sunglasses, I don't know, I feel like I would never really invest in sunglasses.
Yeah.
Because, like, they're going to go out of style most of the time, and, like, they're probably going to get ruined in your bag or whatever. So,
yeah,
it's, like, the perfect bet to go with Forever 21.
Yeah, so I came across these. I think they were, like, maybe $6 or something. They're just like these black cat eye square frame, which I thought were super cute, and I didn't really have anything like square cat eye, this shape. So they just look like this.
Ooh, so
cute, right?
Yeah. It's actually something different. I've never really mentioned this in like any of our favorite videos or anything, but it's a book, and I don't know if you guys know, but like I love books. I'm a reader. And like, books excite me. Like getting a new book is like super exciting to me. And
how cute is she?
This one
so cute.
This one is by Paulo Coelho. I think I'm saying that right. I hope I'm saying it right. I love him. He's so good. One of my favorite quotes is by him. He says, what is it? It's like some praise God for putting. No, what does he say? Some get angry at God for putting thorns on roses, and then others praise him for putting roses among thorns or something like that. I don't know. It's like a really good quote.
That's like really
I love
good.
it. It's like one of my favorite quotes. That's why in my bio for a long time it was like be thankful for the thorns, because like it says a lot. There's more to it.
Yeah.
But anyways, he also writes The Alchemist. I don't know if you've ever read that.
Yeah, I've read it before.
It's such a good book.
I think you have to like in school, right? Is that not a school thing actually?
I never read it in school. I read it like just from myself, but it was a really good book. I highly recommend it. But this one is not really like a stories book. It's more of just like different little
short stories,
like affirmation, just like like life lessons. And yeah, it's called it's Thoughts and Reflections. So there you go. It's called like The Flowing River. So yeah, that's
I have to read that.
Yeah,
when I get
really
some time.
good.
And so for my last favorite is another accessory. So I actually saw this on someone's Instagram. I can't think of her name off the top of my head, but she's like a fashion blogger. She's super pretty. And she was carrying this bag. She was wearing like mustard yellow, like wide leg pants with like a black crop top, and she had this little bag. And I remember I screenshotted it to you, and I was like, oh my god, I love this bag. I want it, but the person didn't have it tagged. So whatever, days and days later, I was on Zara and I came across this bag, which looks like this. This strap actually just goes like on the top. It's not supposed to be like that, but
yeah, what is it doing? Oh,
it's just like they didn't, you know what I mean? But whatever.
It's okay.
You guys get the point. It's not online, so you can definitely go pick it up. It was $45.90, and it's just this black wicker, right?
Mm-hmm.
This black wicker,
like patio furniture.
like literally patio furniture, black
patio
and gold,
furniture chicness.
black and gold little square bag, and it's just so cute with this little handle, and it has like the chain handle, so you can wear it whichever way. I'd probably wear it this way because I think it's just adorable that way, and it's just so beautiful. I can't wait to wear it for spring. I already have like so many outfits that I want to wear it with, and I've just been so into wicker. Like, anyone else into wicker? Like wicker bags?
Definitely
love
a
it.
thing.
It's like such a thing. So, like, obsessed with this. Obsessed. So that completes this video. We hope that you guys liked all of our little goodies, things that we've just been like obsessing over and really into lately. If you guys did like this video, as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and comment down below if you want to see any other videos.
Yeah, you
whatever.
guys, we need like inspiration and inspire us. Give us, you know, some ideas to what we can do. What you guys want to see. We want to get more into this. You know, this spring season.
If you guys want like a spring haul, I've been so into
Yeah.
like spring pieces and like shopping for spring. I don't know. I think I'm just excited for warm weather.
I know, seriously. Like,
So-
it needs to get warm outside.
Yeah, if you guys want a spring haul, comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Let us know if you want to see anything else, and we'll be sure to do that. We love you guys so much, and we'll see you guys in our next video. All the love.